Hi, welcome back to another video. I have purchased the July, we are in I think, aren't we? Yes we are, I almost forgotten then. The July Twinkle Claws subs box. Come on out of there, you little blighter. They are £10, okay, and that includes postage. Right, I have had a quick nosy what's in here, as you do. Right, Unicorn Flakes number 12. Oh, that looks pretty. Should we bring you down a little bit? Okay, so this has obviously got lots of little chopped up mylar in it, and it's got a purpley lilac AB twist to it. Should be quite nice in acrylic actually, that would be. Right, July exclusive number 1. So it's unusual. So we've got squares in this, some triangles and circles, that's all I can see, and strands. So we've obviously got a dot small mix in the background, which I can see, which hopefully you should be able to as well. And then the shapes are all pastel colours, so there's like pinks, lemons, a lilac in there. Looks quite nice actually. I'm not keen on strands, you know I hate strands with a vengeance. That's just me though. Oops, oops. And then we've got lemon drizzle. So we've got matte white hexes, I would say smalls and mediums in there. Then we've got circles in like a mustard, but it's got an iridescent shift on it, so it's flashing up green, which is quite nice. So there you go, look, you can see the, let me press that again because it's probably because it's too bright. See it better from that side. So that's quite a nice mix, unusual, not got anything like that. July exclusive number 2. So this looks like we've got those, can you see those little pieces in again, what we had last month in some of the mixies, where they've been stamped with a pattern. I can just see a few there along the top. Hoping you guys can see them too. And then we've got some punched out stars in there. I know I can definitely see those. And then the rest is all are they hexes or are they circles? I think they are circles, but don't quote me on that. Bearing in mind my eyesight is bloody awful. You might be able to see one of those there better. So there is actually, there's pink and blue stars in there. There's also the centres out stars as well. So that's quite nice. And then we've got Neon Rave, which is all circles, right from that size upwards. So these are all obviously neon, but they're matte. Cool. And then we've got dragon fruit, sort of part way between a pink and a purple. It's almost like a hot pink, but it has got that, it does look slightly purpley. That is a very, very fine glitter. It is. And we've got another fine one, which is Jade City. So yeah, obviously the colour is jade. It's really pretty. I like that colour. I like that colour. And last but not least, another mix with strands in it. I hate strands. Right, luckily they're tiny ones. So we've got lots of rhombus shapes in this. Anybody what don't know what a rhombus shape is, it's a diamond shape. So I don't know why I didn't just say diamond. So we've got gold and purple, which is really nice, but we've also got some red colour flashing through as I'm moving it. Really pretty actually, quite like that one. I don't actually know how much you get in these bags. I'm going to weigh one, you know, because I don't know how much you get in them. And I'd like to know. What are we on? We'll go by the gram. 3.23. 3.53. So it looks like they're sort of mainly 3.5 grams, aren't they, in a bag? I was going to say I definitely know that's heavier. So there's actually just over 6 grams in that bag, and just under 6 grams on that one. So that's the heaviest one. So there's 6 grams in that, just over, and then there's just under on that one, and then these are like 3.5 gram bags, and then whatever you get in one of these, it's usually about 5 mil, isn't it? Oh excuse me, Richard put these in the basket because I needed a set of scales what had got like precision, like more than just like 1 gram, 2 gram. I needed the bit in between, and and when I saw what he'd put in the basket, I said to him, you do realise that's the sort of weighing scales what drug pushers use? Because I love watching all the police programs and that. Oh goodness, that's very bright, isn't it? And I did say to him, I said that's what they use. It's the first thing they confiscate if ever they go anywhere, which I thought was quite funny. I did also get a little sweetie in with these, but I ate it, I'm afraid. So sorry, nobody's having my sweetie. I'm going to be reusing these boxes for my 1k giveaway because I've got that much glitter. I've got to weigh it all up. I'm dreading that bit. Anyway, enough waffle. Right, so yeah, they are £10. I will leave the website down below. I think it is twinkleclaws.com. Yes, it is. If you want to go and have a nosy. And I'm going to carry on yawning in the background, and I'm going to leave you in peace. Oh, it's terrible. Right. Now I'm going to finish. If you liked my video, please do consider giving it a thumbs up and subscribing if you've not already. And don't forget to hit the notification bell, and then you'll see every time I upload a video. Now I'm going to go and yawn again. Oh, bloody hell. Oh. Oh, I'm getting worse. I'm sure I've got something wrong with me. Right, I'm going now to get some sleep. Bye.